Hi my little ladoos! Welcome to Little Ladoo's Craft Box. Today we're going to be making idlis, sambar, and a banana leaf with Play-Doh. Let's get started. Yummy in my tummy! Making that is making me crave some South Indian food. Maybe you can try making idlis, sambar, and a banana leaf too. Send us a photo if you do. Thanks for watching Little Ladoo's Craft Box. Make sure to like, comment, follow, and subscribe to Little Ladoo for more videos like this one. I'm gonna go grab something to eat now. See you next time. Bye!